get the mirror, you look for the cofactor. Okay, and the cofactor is just applying the sign. You work out using this formula, and then you can see where to position them. Then you apply the sign. That's what we call cofactor. You can see this negative times this negative give you positive, and this positive times negative here will give you negative. That's what you see there. And then next you go for transposition. Transposition is changing column into row. So you're moving the column into row into column. That's what we call transpose. Okay, and then when you're done with the transposition, you can see like 3, 2, and then 3 here for the second. So you can see -5 here and 3 there. That's what we have for the second block. And then we go back and then we replace the transposition into this formula, so you can see all of this. That's what you call transposition. That's what you see here. And then delta, this is the value of the determinant. So you're going to times the determinant times the transposition, transpose of the matrix times. Okay, you can see the denominator multiply each number inside the matrix, and then that's what you see here. Okay, and then times the unknown. This is what we had as unknown. If you check here, this is what we got as unknown, 1 times 2. So that's what you see here. So it represents I. So then when you get to this stage, you just multiply. When you get inside here, you're just gonna multiply the row times the column of the second. And remember that the answer will be the size of the second matrix. Whenever you multiply two matrices, the first and the second, so the second is gonna be the size of the final answer. Okay, that's what you see here. So when you multiply, and this is when 3 times 32, 1/4 times -12. That's what you see here. -5/23, 28 times 32. That's what you see here. 3/28 times -7. That's what you see here. Okay, this is the answer. But if you have to check to find out if the answer is correct, we use this formula. Okay, which is gonna be our equation A, and A is it's actually what we started with here. Okay, at the beginning. So that's what you see here, times the answer we got. Okay, and then you should be able to get this answer if you work out those two. And this is what we did in order to find the answer of this inverse matrix.